Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. My name is Sharita and the name of my channel is Unique by Sharita. So in today's video, we will be doing a behind the scenes look of what took place on getting our new floors installed. So if you don't remember, this is how the room or the space looked before, and here it is after. I absolutely love my new floors. I absolutely love them. They are the engineered hardwood, and let's talk about it. So this is right before we took out the last few pieces, and this is day one. The flooring guys have arrived. We have all of the furniture out of the space, and I'm just floored, literally floored. So let's move over to the area in which they're starting to remove the flooring. So what they're using is their hand tools first to remove just enough for them to use the electric power tools, because they would take all day if they had to use these hand tools. So they had to get enough area off so they can have enough space to use the electric power tools. All right, so here's day one, and he is one of the workers. The other guy is actually the owner. They put the fan towards the window to help with some of the dust. As I expected, there was quite a bit of dust, but they did control it as much as possible. You don't see it on camera, but they did put a piece of plastic going into the kitchen entryway, and this is the end of day one. And this is the middle of day two. They are scraping the floors to remove the glue. He said it wasn't easy, but it was easier for them working on their knees than to stand up and try to scrape it. So that's one good way for anyone who's going to tackle a DIY project of removing the glue. So we're in the bedroom on day two afternoon. My husband and I broke the bed down the night before and removed the furniture, or moved all of the furniture in this area into the bathroom and into the garage. So the mattress was the last thing we needed to move because we slept on it. He had to be at work early that morning, so I had to tackle moving the bed by myself. So this is the behind the scenes part that I definitely don't like to share, but hey, this is real life stuff. When they called and said that they could come tomorrow, we had no time to move our items to storage, and I was okay with moving it into the kitchen area, the garage, the bedroom, the laundry room, and of course our bathroom. So even look at this area, how it used to look the day before, and now look at it. Okay, so while I was upstairs, they were downstairs removing the carpet. They did have to do some scraping in there to remove the carpet tags. So that was the end of day two, and this is the end of day four. So it took them actually 4 days to remove all of the flooring and replace it with new flooring. So all of the hardwood that was removed was about 540 square feet, which is the living room, dining room, entryway, and the little entryway into my bedroom. That was 540 square feet. And then my bedroom is 16 by 15. So just removing the carpet was 240 square feet. So I had a total of 780 square feet of hardwood installed. So my husband is going to install the quarter round, and I will be doing the painting. So I'll be painting the baseboards as well as updating the paint in our master bedroom. So you'll get a chance to see that on camera. And just an FYI, I am just damp mopping the floor with just clean water, just to remove some of the dust that was created. All right, so this is phase one. It actually should have been phase three. So phase one would have been removing the flooring. Phase two would have been the sheetrock guy coming in and doing our crown molding as well as our ceiling. And phase 3 would have been putting down the hardwood. So I did have my contractor or my sheetrock guy come out and give me an estimate on doing our ceilings, and he suggested that I have the flooring removed first because the dust from removing the flooring would hit the ceiling as well as the walls. So he felt like it would mess up the paint job. So I was like, okay. But when my hardwood or flooring guy said he can come out and complete it all in 4 days, I was like, fine. So I'm not going to move all of the furniture back into the space because the sheetrock guy and crown molding person will come out and start the phase 2. So we're going to have to move all of the furniture into probably the dining area. So I'm just hanging the curtains and I'm just trying to get the area prepared for Christmas and just to have it in a livable situation because this is a lot. I mean, having all of your stuff just kind of thrown into an area is a lot. And the first day my goal was to have everything organized really nice, but my husband woke up the next morning after I was moving things neatly and said, come on, we're going to put it all in this area, and it worked out. What's really funny is that I purchased paint to paint the kitchen, thinking since I'm at home, I may as well be doing something constructive. And I had no energy. All I did was watch television. Since we have new flooring, I definitely needed to pick up some new furniture movers. And these are the kind that you can use on carpet or on hardwood. So as you can see, I also got some felt pads and bumpers to add to the bottom of all of the furniture that will be touching the floor and touching the carpet, because even if I moved it off the carpet, I still want my furniture or my floors to be protected. So I'm just going to bring everything over one at a time. I'm going to use some alcohol to clean the surface, and then I'll stick the felt pads directly onto the legs or the portion that touches the floor. And I have had no problems with my felt pads coming off of my furniture. Actually, I've had problems with trying to take it off once I stick it. So it does do the job. And make sure you clean your surface before you add your felt pads if you are trying to protect your floor. But you definitely want to have felt pads on the bottom of all of your furniture. So I purchased the kind that had all the different sizes to make sure that it will fit. These high back chairs have the lucite furniture legs, and I originally purchased the tan felt pads to go on them because they're clear, but they were too big. So I decided to go ahead and use the brown felt pads. And they work perfectly because when they're sitting on the floor, you can't even tell that they have the felt pads on them. So that was perfect. And even when I have them on the carpet, you can't even tell or see them through the lucite legs. Now you see the felt pad and now you don't. I'm also going to use these felt pads on the legs of the sofa because I'm pulling the sofa off the wall, and if someone plops down on the sofa and it moves or shifts, it won't scratch the floor. So I'm putting these felt pads on everything that's in this living room and dining room area. Remember, I said I will move the furniture twice just to have my floors installed before Christmas. And I did just that. Now, after putting the room back together or putting some of the furniture items back into the space, I did realize I do want to put the rug down. So I'm just going to go ahead and put the rug pad down, and then I will add the rug. I do have a rug picked out for this space. The rug that's in the dining room will go into my bedroom, and I would love to move this rug into the dining room area and get the new rug for this living room area. I'm just going to use these furniture sliders to move any and all of the heavy furniture and decor pieces in the space. Yes, I did use it for the mirror as well. The felt pads are not strong enough to handle the heaviness or the weight of furniture. So the one thing we didn't discuss is cost. So I'll go over just a little bit now, and I'll be sure to hit a little bit more in the next video. But for removal of the hardwood, and this is glue down, 540 to 550 square feet. My estimates, I did get 3 estimates. They range from $1,500 up to $2,500. And you have to ask questions. Does it include the supplies, as well as does it include leveling the floor? So be sure you ask that question when you get your estimates. What does it include? And I definitely wanted my removal company and my installation company to be the same, just in case there was some issues. All right, so here is the area semi put together. The bookshelf is still in the kitchen nook area, and everything else is kind of where it's going to be for now, because January 8th, we have to start shifting some stuff. So I don't want to put too much in here and have to move it. So this is like a real simple look. I'm not going to hang anything in between the 2 mirrors for now. And I'm not going to hang any art up in the dining room area. I don't think I'm going to move my lamps back over here for now. And like I said, we will be replacing the rug that's in here. I have also found a table that I'm trying to decide on. One company says it's going to take 6 to 8 months. And another one said they may be getting one in stock. And if they do, that would be great. So here is another angle of the space. And like I said, I absolutely love my floors. And here is a closer look of the flooring for those of you who want to see. And here are some of the choices that I was deciding between. I also was kind of contemplating on a lighter color floor. Gray is not a flooring of my choice, but it is pretty. I was trying to stick with the browns, light browns, dark browns, but I've always wanted a dark floor because to me it just looked luxurious. So be on the lookout for the upcoming videos of this area as well as the bedroom. I'm probably going to go right into the bedroom because I need to paint the wall so we can put our bed back up. We still have our mattress on the floor. So be on the lookout for those videos. I'm on vacation this week, so I'm planning on getting a lot done, and I plan to share it all with you. So we are coming to the end of this video. Thank you all for watching my videos. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. Thank you for a great year on YouTube. Our channel has really grown. I really do appreciate each and every one of you, and I do read my comments. So thank you all again. Merry Christmas. Happy New Year. See you in the next one. Have a great day.